Hello everyone. Solution of question number 4, SSC Board Examination 2025-26. The fourth question states you that express cot theta in terms of sin theta. It means we have to change this cot theta in terms of sin theta. Cot theta should be changed, or should be write in terms of sin theta. So as we are changing cot theta in terms of sin theta, so we have one identity which is depending on cot theta. By using identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Why we have to use this third identity only? Because among the three identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and second one secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, and the third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. I am using third one because it is given cot theta. So I am using the identity which is depending on cosec theta and cot theta. So then after, as I am changing cot theta in terms of sin theta, so keep this cot theta at left hand side and send this cosec square theta at right hand side. So minus cot square theta equals to 1, as plus cosec square theta is transposing that side, so it becomes as minus cosec square theta. Since by transposing you got this one, since by transposing, then I don't want this minus also, so let me transpose this minus also there. It becomes as the cot square theta equals to, so when I multiply this RHS with minus, what will be happen? 1 minus cosec square theta equals to, when I multiply with minus, minus into plus minus 1, minus into minus plus cosec square theta. So it means it can be modified as cot square theta equals to, this I can write first cosec square theta plus cosec square theta minus 1. Since by rearranging you can write, since by rearranging, then after you got cosec square theta, cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. As in the question I want only cot theta, I don't want this 2 also, it's as power, which is in power. So whenever this power 2 is transposing to right hand side, it will convert into root. So cot theta equals to, when this 2 is transposing there, it can be changed into a square root of cosec square theta minus 1. Then we have one identity which is depending on cosec theta. We have one identity or formula with, on cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Can be expressed as 1 by sin theta, because sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta and cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So wherever in the solution I have cosec theta, I should write 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta whole square minus 1. Now equals to under root of, this square is for numerator as well as for denominator, so we can modify this one as 1 whole square by sin square theta minus 1. Now that equals to under root of, the value of 1 square means 1 into 1 you will get as 1 by sin square theta, writing as it is minus 1. Now that equals to under root of, here no denominator, you can consider as 1. What is the LCM of sin square theta and 1? You will take the LCM as sin square theta. Now sin square table will get sin square theta as 1 time. 1 table on sin square theta is sin square theta times. So now multiply 1 once 1 minus 1 into sin square theta is sin square theta. Now this root is if for numerator as well as denominator, you can separate it under root of 1 minus sin square theta by under root of sin square theta. So that equals to, we cannot take out the square root of above numerator, so I am writing 1 minus sin square theta as it is, divided by square, this 2 and root get cancelled, you remains with 1 equals to sin theta. So the value of, or we can say the cot theta is changed in the terms of sin theta. We can write 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. So we have written cot theta in terms of sin theta, or cot theta can be written in the terms of sin theta as 1 under root of 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. So this is the solution of fourth question of SSC board examination, which came for 2 marks. Thank you.